Hello, your buddy Justin with Lucky 8 Off-Road, and today you're in a pickle. That's why you're watching this video. Your new Defender L663 power steering has ceased to exist. The electricity has left the building. Don't panic. Take a deep breath. This is an easy fix. We're going to get you up and running. Cue the intro. First thing you want to do is go in and take your front seat, passenger front seat, push it forward all the way. It's going to give you plenty of room to work. Then pull up the floor mats in the back. If you have floor mats, you probably do. Just gently get them off to the side. Here's the tricky bit. There's a little fabric hoop you're reaching for under the seat. Reach your arm in under the seat, pull on that fabric loop, and the spare battery cover is going to pop open for you. Get that out of the way. Next up, you're looking for this 10 millimeter socket head or bolt head, any way you want to call it. And you're going to loosen it up and disconnect the negative terminal on the battery. Hold that up to the side, count to 30, put it back on, tighten it up. The computer's going to reset for you and you'll have your power steering back. Great, you're happy, you're up and running, done. Finish the video. It's a software update. So take your Defender, schedule service, and go get it updated so you don't have this problem in the future. All right, guys, hope it was helpful. See you on the next one.